Hello guys, here we'll be discussing about the numericals on the oscillators. So in this particular video we will learn the one numerical based on RC oscillator, RC phase shift oscillator, and this particular numerical has been asked in GATE examination of year 2008. So let's move towards the numerical. On your screen you have the BJT amplifier, that is with transistor Q, and it is in voltage divider bias having R1 4K, R2 4K, 1K is the value of RC, RE value is not given, CE value is not given, and all the C values, that is capacitor values, are same, identical, 0.01 microfarad, VCC is not given, and they ask us what is the value of frequency of oscillation and what is the gain requirement, that is HFE, as far as this BJT is considered. So far so well. This was asked in GATE examination 2008. So this was the important question for your MU exam as well. They can ask you in this particular MU exam as well. So let's move towards the finding. Given is HIE is equal to 2K, C is equal to 0.01 microfarad. First of all, even if frequency of oscillation is given and gain, frequency of oscillation and gain, they ask us to find out, R value is not given, then how to move further to find the value of R? See to it that we have 4K, 4K and this HIE is given. As I know that the value of R is nothing but, at the input side the value of R is nothing but 4K parallel 4K parallel HIE, right? HIE is 2K, this is 4K, 4K parallel 4K is 2K, right? And 2K parallel 2K is nothing but 1K. So here itself I will get the value of first R, right? So this is one particular R I am getting with first RC network, and obviously remaining R values will be identical to your first value of R. So I will say that solution, will start with the solution. We'll write that even if R is not asked, right, R is equal to R1 inverse plus R2 inverse plus HIE inverse the whole inverse. I will draw this equivalent circuit over here. I can say that this is of 4K, this is of 4K, and this is also of HIE having value 2K. Okay, so with this I will get the value of R is equal to 1K. So here I will write the value of R is 1K, that is equation number 1. So now it is very easy to find out the frequency of oscillation. So for that, first of all, I know that the value of RC given, RC is equal to 1K, okay, and that is been given. So we can easily find out what is the value of K in that particular equation of frequency of oscillation. K is nothing but RC divided by R. RC value is 1K, R is equal to 1K, so K value is 1. Now let's say it is equation number 2. Now according to the formula, from formula of frequency of oscillation, we will be writing as F0 is equal to 1 upon 2 pi RC under root of 6 plus 4K. Now pick up your calcs and check your calcs is working or not, because I know that C value is 0.01 microfarad, R is nothing but 1K, K is nothing but 1, 6 plus 4 is 10, under root of 10 multiplied by RC multiplied by 2 pi, and take the inverse of it and pause your screen, calculate the value of FO and come to me. This FO we are getting near about 5 kilohertz. The value of FO I'm getting as 5 kilohertz, and that is nothing but the first finding I'm getting. So we'll write this as first answer, right? Now moving towards the next part, that is HFE. So it's a very simple put the value get the answer type. So we'll say according to gain criteria, right, for RC phase shift oscillator, we'll say HFE should be greater than or equal to 23 plus 4k plus 29 divided by k. I know the value of k. Now it's very simple, just to add 23, 4 and 29, right? So I can say that this HFE should be greater than or equal to value 56. So I will say the answer of this particular question, this particular numerical is straightforward. It is done by Calci only, not by us. So it's a very simple, just provided you have known all the formulas based on this RC phase shift oscillator with BJT. So this is our second finding as far as answer of this particular numerical is considered. So we got this particular two answers. First is FO, that is near about 5 kilohertz. I'm saying near about because 5.023 or something like that we will be getting. So I will say that it's nothing but 5 kilohertz frequency. And the HFE I will be getting, that I have to treat it as greater than or equal to 56. So we will wind up for this particular numerical. We will learn more and more numericals based on oscillator in upcoming videos. So stay tuned for that and learn more and more EDC along with me, along with Ekeeda videos. Subscribe this particular channel. Don't forget that. Thank you so much.